Olson. Mr. Olson, the math composition's what he's holding. Check it. I learned how to get an education, student loans, living on my own, got a job being grown. Instead of a house, I got me a rental. Got an apartment right around Central. Annual percentage rate, and that's an APR. They put it on my pad and insurance for my car. No money for gas, so I can't travel far. Afford caviar, but maybe I'll get an A on the scorecard. Cause I ain't content with losing and be a student falling victim to the institution. Smart kids got the science to the revolution, and kids got scholarships cause it's given to them. There's this thing about monthly taught all over the country, saying if you don't get this money you'll be smelling funky. If you find it, divide by 12, but can't ask for help. No, Mr. Olson, Mrs. Wells, I need to get that Medicaid to pay for my health. I need to get that income to stack my shelves, and I need to get some bonds to pay for my female. No crime, no jail, no money, no bail. My phone keep ringing, the government's trying to get a hold of me. I got a new degree, master's in that poetry, so I can pay my groceries and toiletry. They call it a large income, simple that statements do both for me. Afford my maxi pads, axes, and all my faxes. Even car waxes, that's the stuff that they be taxing. 1.45 Medicaid, Social Security 6.2. That's where I learned something that I thought I never knew. Even impacting my future finances too. Hopefully I pay my dues, yeah, that's my standpoint, dude. And get that money so I can pay for all my bills. I need to pay the heat so I don't have to feel all the chill. I learned to pay for Medicaid to get refill for pills, but make sure to get my work done, cause I know that class is kill. Yeah! Gonna